Hello, we are the Whitney Young Aerospace team, and today we'll be attempting to break this 3D printed metal part through a combination of thermocycling and blunt physical force. To accomplish the thermocycling part of this process, we will first rapidly heat up the part with 8 rocket motors connected into a relay. After the rocket motors have finished firing, the part will be heated up, and then we will release the part into a pot of liquid nitrogen. The liquid nitrogen will then introduce extreme thermal stress into the part, causing extreme fatigue in the material of this part. After the part has completely cooled down, we will take the part out of the liquid nitrogen and hit it with a hammer, hopefully causing it to shatter. Thank you and enjoy. You gotta plug it in.
You're going to go off.
It's fine. Plug it in.
It's enough. There's enough in there. Go ahead. Okay, here we go.
3, 2.
It's out. Watch your hand. I don't know where it is.
Did it not land into the pot?
I don't know. We underestimated the power of this thing.
However, not everything went according to plan, and we had to adapt to the situation accordingly. When the first motor went off, everything looked fine. However, with the ignition of the second motor, it blew this 3D printed metal part into the grass. However, we did not know that at the time. Now, when all the motors had finished igniting, we scrambled to find the part, as we did not find it in the liquid nitrogen. After finding the part in the grass, we were able to proceed with the original plan and dunk the part into liquid nitrogen, inducing a large thermal stress into the part.
We don't know.
We underestimated the power of this thing. By a lot.
Oh, here.
Go.
Nice tongue.
It's in there.
And then hammer it.
That was so good. It just blew away. However, when we took it out and tried to proceed with the original plan of introducing a blunt force with the use of a hammer, we found that this did not effectively transfer the force that we wanted in order to shatter the part. So we decided to improvise. By using 2 vice grips, each attached to each side, and bending with a large amount of force, we were able to snap the part into 2 pieces.
I'm trying to,
Any other experience?
Here, let me pour this.
You guys want to do?
Let me pour this out. I feel like just hitting it, we need to get it so that it's hanging off.
Just wail on it.
Here, that's not.
Go to the sidewalk. Go to the sidewalk and slam it. You're just gonna bend the pot.
But like hitting it just like hitting it like that, hitting it flat isn't going to do anything. You need it overlapping.
You get the vice grips off and...
He's got another pair of vice grips. You could try and just bang it.
That's not vice grips, my dude.
Here.
Those are bright vice grips?
Don't touch these.
Why not switch?
Here, grab these.
Got the other end?
Okay,
just
do we have
grab these.
people filming this? We need to... Wait.
I've been filming the whole damn time.
Now,
Okay.
just have, yeah.
Alex, maybe you should
Just-
join it.
Use your superior strength.
Contest.
Break it?
Yeah. Here's the part. It's not hot anymore. Alright, that piece is... These are very hot.
Ooh.
Light work.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh my
Put it in.
god.
Vice grips are hot, careful.
Yeah, vice grips are very...
There you go.
Goddamn.
Get this grass out of here.
Let's...
Yeah.
Alex, maybe you should
Just-
join it.
Use your
Nah,
superior
it's
strength.
Contest.
fine. It's
Break it.
heavy and- yeah.
Hey, close up.
It's not hot anymore.
Alright, that piece is...
These are very hot.
Wait, that's...
Ooh.
Light work.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Vice grips are hot, careful.
Yeah, vice grips are very...
There you go.
Get this grass out of here.
Let's go!